we all have grown up this when we have grown up hearing that skills are greater than degree, and of course it is reality. And even in the upcoming times, I feel like colleges will be replaced by internships, or the people, or the websites that are helping students get internships and get hands-on experience, for example on YouTube, drop shipping and all that stuff. And jobs wouldn't be also like that you need this desired certificate to get to this position. You would just need experience and all that stuff. But thing is, skills are greater than degree, we agree with this. But what about our mindset? This Gen Z and all upcoming generations are just so busted out with all these things. They are not able to handle what is coming upon them. They are always into like, I'm having anxiety, I'm having depression. However, they don't even know the real meaning. For this 2025, focus on skills, but take a challenge to focus on your mental health too, to focus on your mindset too, and take a pause to reflect back to your mental health while you are running for success and money and all that stuff. So here is first lesson, or first art that I would like you all to learn is, take a breath and take a moment to slow down. Think, if you'll achieve everything by 30, then what you would be left up to? You would live whole life working. After that, you wouldn't be left with good health, good relations. Your parents will get older. Take a pause and reflect, like how our elder generations have lived this life. Okay, in 20s, in teenage, they were about like enjoying their life, studying hard, enjoying with their family, giving time to their family and going out with their families. They were not into so much of career. Of course, you can blame me, like I'm also making YouTube content, doing freelancing, writing books. But right now, what is I personally feel is I do have a balance. I have balance. Literally, I go out on every Sunday with Mama Papa and I do enjoy with them. So I guess I am having a balance. But what I see online is a 21-year-old like Ishan Sharma is making this amount, is traveling to US. And even I took that I'm doing nothing. On birthdays, I used to feel like I'm worth nothing. But take a moment and realize that you have life, you have good health, value it and do it slowly. If सब कुछ आप अभी अचीव कर लोगे, आगे जाके क्या करोगे? Have a pause, think about this and value things जो अभी हैं. आगे जाके आपके पास पैसा एंड ये सब कुछ होगा, बट आपके पास अच्छी हेल्थ नहीं होगी, आपके पास दोस्त नहीं होंगे जो आपके पास अभी हैं. So take a time, take 2 minutes, take 2 days and think about this and take your life a little slow. Elder generations जो हमसे पहले आई हैं, they have also lived their life in this way. This is because yes, हमारे पास competition ज़्यादा and we need to work more hard. I don't deny that. बट हाँ, लाइफ को थोड़ा धीरे लेके भी चलो. लाइफ इज मेंट टू बी इन दैट वे जो हमारी एल्डरली जनरेशन ने देखा है. हम सोशली, हम इंस्टाग्राम पे आके हम ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. बट सी, वो ईशान शर्मा इज he is doing that, or many other 21-year-olds are doing, but what percentage is that? So take a time and reflect back. Other is social media life and all those things are not that exciting. Like right now, it has been like almost 2 years of being into this online world and talking with people doing this stuff. And what I have realized is Instagram and Snapchat, you also know that people are showing their best selves. Even sometimes I'm showing my best self. I'm not showing how I have late nights, how I sometimes cry, I don't feel like doing anything and all that stuff. I'm not showing that. Same is the case. If you are seeing everybody else doing great things, they are also breaking down. They also have bad moments. So don't let it come on to you. You enjoy your life, okay? And other learning that I learned in being this is, we are just like these social media creatives, these Instagram creators like me even, are just boasting about YouTube life and all that stuff. And we are making this amount, 35 lakhs in a month, 20 lakhs in content creation and all that. But let me tell you, only 1% of the creators make that amount. Rest are making average like 50k, 40k, or depending upon their subscriber count, views, watch hours, and all that stuff. But rest are making a moderate amount. And if you are working in a typical setup like corporate job and everything, you are also making, like in corporate jobs, if I take, like if you are at a good position, manager level position, you make around like 1 to 2 lakh. Of course it depends upon experience, post, and all that stuff. And 1 to 2 lakhs is not bad. These freelancers are just boasting about 2 lakhs that they make online, and you are not boasting about, and you feel stressed that you are not doing anything amazing, but the amount is same. They are but having flexibility to work from anywhere, but you are getting other benefits like medical expenses, paid leaves, medical leaves, and whatnot. They are not getting that. So it's a both way thing. Social media पे they are just exaggerating things जो हमारे real life, traditional life चलती आ रही है. That is also not bad. And if you want to blame me, like I'm also doing this stuff, but I like, you can also do that. I'm not just stopping anyone. It's just what I have realized after being into this industry for 2 years. अब इतने टॉप लेवल पे तो नहीं हूँ, बट बॉटम लेवल पे ले रह के I got to understand these two things. And the other mindset shifts you need in 2025 is growth mindset. अगर आप ग्रो नहीं करोगे, you cannot be at pace. आपके बच्चे, आपके यंग वंस, आपके छोटे भाई बहन, वो आपकी बेइज्जती करके चले जाएंगे. Literally. You need to keep on upgrading yourself. You keep on learning about new things, new tools, and all that stuff. And yes, why not we should learn? अगर हम सीखना छोड़ देंगे ना, हम एक कांस्टेंट लेवल पे है, बट दुनिया हमसे आगे जा रही है, तो हम बेसिकली डीग्रेड ही हो रहे हैं, हम डाउनग्रेड ही हो रहे हैं. सो वी नीड टू कीप ऑन लर्निंग, एंड लर्निंग ऑल्सो मेक्स आवर माइंड फंक्शन इन अ बेटर मैनर. So keep on learning, have a growth mindset. This is like very commonly spoken tip, and I also wanted to share that. Another is decision making. Literally, वही social media वाली बात में, we are not able to make our decisions. अब we are so much influenced by social media and all that stuff कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, social media पे ये क्या होगा, वो क्या होगा. I talked to one of my friend, he's a video editor, and he was like I'm not editing my videos, I'm not making content because I'm worried what my friends will say, and my friends laugh on me. Even I like hide my YouTube channel from my friends like for 6-7 months, and now also I don't tell them. It's just that who randomly finds that it's okay, it's good. But yes, decision making is what we are lacking, and we need to work on this. We need to write both the benefits and the negatives, and we need to analyze it. कि 5 साल बाद would I regret if it's about Diljit Dosanjh's concert? We are just so worried कि लोग क्या कहेंगे अगर मैं नहीं गया, and you are worried, or some people are worried कि बहुत पैसा लग जाएगा. Just think 5 years के बाद nothing, like none of these two things would matter, like not even 5k for silver वाले tickets, and not even like your friends की friends ने क्या बोला था, that wouldn't. So take a rational decision, take a good decision, and inculcate this habit, क्योंकि decision making आगे बहुत आएगी in your career, in your relationships. So start practicing this and take the blame. Take your decisions yourself and take the blame on yourself कि ये जो हो रहे हैं आपके decision की वजह से हो रहा है, and this is how you will succeed in life. Another thing is balance. This generation is all about hustle or seasons, like in this month I have to grind, in this month I have to enjoy. But yes, life is all about balance, and we make balance as like perfect 3-day vacation at the end of every month, at the end of 2 months I need international trip or whatsoever. Balance is all about like sometimes you don't get breaks for like 15 days, no day off, and sometimes you get 3-4 days off. So don't regret the other thing. Enjoy both the things. Balance karo. Like if you are in a social with your family, with your friends, enjoy that. And if you are stuck in your work, appreciate that, because work is also a blessing. Indeed, work is worship. So believe that. Try to maintain balance. but it's not always about balance, it's about seasons. It's about seasons, and just keep on working, keep on hustling, and keep on maintaining a balance and value little things. तो छोटे छोटे टाइम स्लॉट्स आ रहे हैं, एक दिन की ट्रिप मिल रही है, value that. Value dinner with your family. Value that you have got work. Value that you have got a new opportunity. Value everything, and you would feel like life is balancing. You wouldn't have to make an extra effort. Start loving and you would make life balance out. Balance खुद ही हो जाएगी life. Just start loving what you are doing, both with family and your social life and all that stuff, and your work life also. Another thing is negotiating and influencing. This is the best thing, best art that you need to learn right now in this generation. Learn to negotiate with people and learn to influence them. Negotiate means like selling your product. This is crucial. Everybody is trying to be content creator, everybody is trying to sell their things, and now the place is crowded. So you need to learn how to differentiate yourself, how to negotiate your service, how to influence people. It's all about influencing the other people and making it sell your course or whatsoever. All are doing content creation for money. Very few of us would love, and maybe some would love, but also money is also the motive. So it's like both ways. Learn to negotiate and influence. Negotiate and influence. Like sales अगर आप करने जा रहे हो, you need negotiating and influencing skills. And इससे related, the next point came into my mind, that is we just get on to something. हम अगर thumbnail designing करती हूँ मैं अभी, I've realized this mistake, like I'm doing this blunder and I'm just doing it randomly, like Canva पे गए, design कर दिया and I'm done. Designs इतने अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, I know that, but the thing is I'm just trying. But recently I learned that right now I don't have time to go and learn because मेरे exams वगैरह आ रहे हैं. But right now I got to learn, like if you can devote 20 hours कोई नया काम आपने करना शुरू करना है. You earlier it was like 10 hours and to learn new stuff. नहीं ज़रूरत है, 20 hours दे दो, एक दिन पूरा दे दो एक काम को सीखने के लिए, उसके ट्यूटोरियल्स देखने के लिए, सब कुछ करने के लिए, एंड अगले दिन उसमें उसके डिज़ाइन से उसको प्रैक्टिस करके देख लो. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अब जो हम लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मी ऑल्सो, मैं जो कैनवा पे ऐसे डिज़ाइंस बनाते रहती हूँ, अभी तक मैंने कोई ट्यूटोरियल नहीं देखा है कैनवा का. अगर वहीं मैं ट्यूटोरियल देख के स्टार्ट करती, ऑफ कोर्स माय डिज़ाइंस वुड हैव बीन मच बेटर. But I realized this now. I would try to implement it in the future when I'll get free from my exams and all. But this is the tip which I'll also learn right now and I'm looking forward to implement it. I just need a bit more time क्योंकि 2 दिन चाहिए आराम से to watch tutorials and then implement. But this skill and this step, both are going to work so well. Just give them a shot. And thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, and I'm super grateful. Do subscribe and do comment down which tip you like the most. And this is Samiksha Juneja signing off.